Well, today here at Lee Street Elementary, we are starting our initiative with the homeless education department, Going Green, and we are going to be starting our own little raised bed gardens on site here at the school.
In our life as it's going now, we have to learn how to grow our own gardens. It makes us self-sufficient. It teaches us responsibility. And if we start in with the youth, we'll have the produces and some fruits and vegetables we'll need for them to eat healthy food.
Young people, the pride that you get with just growing and eating healthy, of course, but I just want you to take pride in this. This is your garden at your school. So I want y'all to own it, take pride in it, and just protect it. This is your school.
I would really like to thank my department staff. Ms. Samuels took the lead on this, and I appreciate just her dedication and willingness to take on a task that we had not done before. But most of all, I'd like to thank my district, my superintendent, Dr. Beasley, the board, for allowing the homeless education department to take on initiatives that help our children in our district. More importantly, we're going to thank the children, because when we see this Green and Grow garden, we're going to realize that it really makes a difference in the lives of the population that we serve.